Hey everyone, welcome to Vicky's Media House. I'm Victoria Kenneth. Here's a video for you. I've had so many people reach out to me, complimenting on my online presence and asking for advice on how to get started in content creation. They share their struggles with building their online presence. And with that, I'm so happy to share my knowledge with you all. In this video, I'll be breaking down the basics on content creation and providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to get started. So let's dive in. Firstly, let's know what content creation means. Content creation is the process of producing and sharing valuable content and consistent content to attract and engage a specific audience. Many of you keep wishing to have a social media presence. Then what is stopping you? I've heard some persons complaining about my phone is not clear. I don't have a clear phone. I don't have a rig light. I don't have this. I don't have that. Did you see when I started? Relax. Some complain I'm so shy. I'm shy. I can't stand in front of the camera. You can't. Okay. In this generation, you can't. Let me tell you this. Content creating is very, very easy. It depends on the mindset you have. Let me stop this motivational talks and tell you how to get started. Firstly, identify your niche. Yes, determine what content you want to be creating and the audience target. Before thinking of being a content creator, you must know what you want to do now. Will you just come out and be writing ABCD online? Or will you just come out and be shouting? If you want to make videos like me and be like, hello everyone, how on a day? No. You must know what you're coming out to do. So sit down, think. What do I want to do? What do I want to talk about? Is it educational content? Do I want to come and start dancing? Do I want to create inspiring videos? What do you want to bring out to the world? And the audience. What kind of audience are you looking at? Are you talking to children? If you want to go into the children's aspect, you know what you need, right? So you should know the audience you are targeting. Number 2, choose your platform. Determine which platform you're going to be posting. Is it on Facebook? Is it on YouTube? Instagram? There are different platforms. Just sit down, determine the platform you want to use to share your content. Number 3, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve through content creation. Whether it's building your audience, generating income, or just sharing out your passion. Like me. When I started content creating, I started with the mindset that I just love being out. I cannot just sit down and, I have many passions. I have many things to bring out to the world. How will I just sit down, hold it tight? I decided to come out to the social media space for just passion's sake. Not for money at first, but now. Number 4, develop your unique voice. Find your tune, your style, and the perspective that sets you apart from others. Even though you're doing what others are doing, let yours be different. You might be creating a content that someone else is creating also. But the way you bring yours to the space, that's the difference. Okay, let me use this as an example. There are so many motivational speakers on the social media space. Now you come online, you see this one, you see this one, you see this one. You notice that they are different. There are many motivational speakers, a quote, motivational speakers. Now the tune each of them uses is so different. You get to know them by their unique voices. So don't sit down there and say someone else is doing what I'm doing. Oh, if I do it, they'll say I'm doing follow. Oh, I'm doing follow. I think you can do it. Just come out, think of something different, recreate it and make it make sense. Put it on the space and you'll see that you'll be doing so well. Number 5, create consistently. See, this is one of the things we content creators fail to work on. Consistency. You should not be that content creator that posts today, tomorrow you are not seeing anywhere. Next tomorrow you post, next tomorrow you stay throughout a month you are not seen online. The next time you come, you'll be like, it's been a long time. How are you doing? I know I'm faulty a bit in that, but yes, but it's not a good one. If you want to be a content creator, be a content creator. And you must be consistent to keep your audience going. You get that? Also in that regard, create high quality content that will engage your audience, not something that your audience will see and, when you are scrolling down your phone, just see something you don't like to see. Don't create that kind of content. Now, get these additional tips. They are so important. Start small and be patient. Don't wait until you have everything. What is it? My phone is not good. My phone is not clear. When I bring it out, you see sun and moon together. Everything, you don't see my face. My dear, start small. Okay, you don't have a ring light, you don't have a good background, you don't have a mic. After all, I don't have a mic. You want to sit down to think about all of those things that you don't have. You won't do anything. Now, I'll use myself as an example. Many of you have been seeing my contents, and you know when I started. Let me not go there. Maybe we'll talk about that next time. You need to be patient. So seriously, you need to be patient. It might come on like this. You see only one like. Sometimes you will not even see any like. If you want to look at that, you will stop. Like, oh my God, yeah. Sometimes I'm just sitting there like, I work for these people. So all these things, what I do, like this morning, why they do this edit and everything. These people don't say anything to just like, even though you don't comment, or just say you're doing well. My dear, you might not see it at that first start, but continue. Be patient. Be patient with your audience. Is this my ear? Be patient. So another thing is experiment with different formats and styles. Yes, you need to change your style sometimes. When you come and this one is not this particular style you're using is not working, try to move into something else. And also be attentive to corrections. Yeah, that's one thing I'm good at, to get many persons who come to my DM and be like, this particular one you did, this particular one you did, and it's fine, it's not clear, this one's like this, and the way you spoke in this one and all of that. I take corrections. So learn to be corrected. Don't always they are not there. Why are they even complaining? They are complaining. You go suffer. Another thing is very important. Engage with your audience and respond to feedbacks. See, don't drop a post and leave it there. You post, maybe you drop a post today, you see a video or a writing, you drop a post and you just forget about it. You go offline, be doing other things or whatever. You just leave it like that. You don't come back to engage with your audience. You don't come back to see whether there are comments for you to respond to. You just leave it like that. Not for you. You don't do like that. You need to engage with your audience. See, that one thing that we don't know is those responses are very important. Engage and respond to feedbacks. There are very many feedbacks you get on your comment section. Forsake the pass. Leave the ones that are bad and focus on the good ones. Another important thing is continually learn and improve your skill. Like, there are sometimes I just sit down, go on YouTube and be looking at other people asking for different content creation. Just sit down, look at other people. And sometimes I just sit down on Facebook. Some people will be like, you're wasting your data. I'm not wasting it. I know what I'm looking for. You just look at other people that have gone ahead of you. Learn, improve your skills. Improve. Think of new things. Not that you just come online. You are always talking about one particular thing. The last but not the least, don't let your problem show on your face when you want to create content. There are some persons that come on my DM and be like, Vicky, you know they get problem. They're always laughing. Even when they see me physically, some persons, when they see me in church and my face, maybe I don't do hungry, it's money I've not eaten and my face is somehow, or I'm sick, or I'm down, something like that. Be like, this is not you that I know. It's because of how I bring myself out. You will not know. So that all the time you want to come out because you've not eaten since morning. You want to make a video, you now sit down. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Oh, you're not ready. Now finally, before I leave the front of that your phone, note this. Content creation is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this post. I love you all.